Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Trane Technologies. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $34 billion, Trane Technologies is a S&P 500 company within the specialty industrial machinery industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 2 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 0.9%. Earnings growth, 1.6%. Earnings estimates, 18.78%. Return on capital, 12.65%. Debt to free cash flow, 3.53 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.8%. Payout ratio, 38.75%. Growth rate, 11.12%. Growth years, 11 years. That gives Trane Technologies 7 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Trane Technologies is fairly valued. What's your thoughts on Trane Technologies in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.